Stop making New Year's resolutions. I've got a better idea. This is our spinning bistro board. It's a double-sided chalkboard, 5 by 7 inches, and it is removable by the frame. I'm just unscrewing the finial at the top to take the board out. And this project is going to allow you to chalk a sentiment on the board that'll make you feel good about yourself. No guilt. No guilt from broken resolutions. This is Kathie from Craft with Kathie. Let's get moving on this project. Let's focus on the positive instead of being racked with guilt for breaking our New Year's resolutions. Put this little sign somewhere where you see it frequently, every day hopefully, maybe on your desk at work, on your dresser in your bedroom, maybe in the bathroom as you get ready for work, whatever. Put it somewhere where you see it as a gentle reminder to make yourself proud. It says, I'm going to make you so proud. Note to self. What's more important than making yourself proud of your actions and how you're living your life? Isn't this a more positive spin than a New Year's resolution? I'm going to use white and gold shimmer chalk paste to make this project. And yes, that's chalk paste, not chalk paint. Totally different type of thing. Our chalk paste was specially formulated to work with our transfers. Our transfers are silk screen, adhesive backed, and reusable 8 to 12 times or more. So you can make this project for yourself, make it for a friend, make it as a gift, make it for a coworker. Spread the joy. I'm applying some lint from a fuzzing cloth to lessen the adhesiveness of the transfer because it's quite sticky as it's very new. I'm going to apply it to my surface, this chalkboard that's reusable. Our paste is easily removed with water and a paper towel. So I'll just center this, gently press it down, making sure that I don't have any air bubbles underneath my silk screen. You can see through the silk screen to the surface beneath it. And then I'm going to apply the chalk paste with a squeegee. I'm just grabbing a little paste out of our jar, applying it with the squeegee, spreading it over the surface, and smoothing it out. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. It's easy to do. Just gently wipe across it. It pushes the paste through the silk screen onto the surface below. And the silk screen gives us this beautiful crisp image. Once I've spread all the paste on it, I can go back over, remove any lines or streaks, remove any excess paste, and put the excess paste back in the jar. One of the great things about using our transfers and chalk paste is, on many surfaces, the paste is easily removed, allowing you to reuse the surface over and over again. How cool is that? And if you make a mistake, clean it up with a little bit of water and redo it. Easily fixable. I just absolutely love it. So simple, so quick, and so easy. So I'm done with the white paste, and now I'm going to add the gold shimmer for the little for the wording, note to self. It's so simple. If you can butter toast, you can chalk. It really is that simple. And like I said, most mistakes are easily fixed. No muss, no fuss. Can't get much easier than this. Once I've finished adding my chalk paste, I will remove the transfer. You always want to lift up from the left or the right or the top or the bottom. Never pull or tug on the corners because you don't want to stretch the silk screen. And then I'll set it aside to dry. Our regular chalk paste takes about 5 minutes to dry. Our shimmers, and I'm using the shimmers here, takes about 8 minutes. But you could use our quick dry tool to dry it quicker if you'd like. Otherwise, just set it aside until the paste dries and is hard. Wasn't that quick and easy? How simple, and what a nice little reminder. Make yourself proud. So if you tire of this design and want to remove it from the chalkboard, all you need to do is spritz it with a little bit of water and use a paper towel or one of our board erasers or our board scraper to remove the chalk paste from the board. Just moisten it and remove it. If it accidentally gets water on it, as long as you don't scrub it or wipe across it, it'll dry again and harden it, it'll be fine. So it's easy to remove. And it's easy to clean all our tools because the chalk paste is water soluble. Now, if you're interested in doing something on fabric or canvas or glass and you want it to be permanent, then instead of using chalk paste, you'd want to use our ink. So we have two different formulations. The paste is easily removed when you want to remove it. The ink, once heat set, makes the image or the wording permanent. And you could use our transfers on all sorts of mediums: wood, paper, our chalk suede paper, mirror, metal, glass, chalkboard, dry erase board, the list goes on and on. This is the perfect project for someone new to chalk because it is on a chalkboard and the chalkboards are easily erasable. It's simple, it's quick, it's double-sided, and it starts with our smaller transfers, which are 5x7. Our transfers run the variety of sizes from 5x7 up to 18 by 24 inches. So there's something for everyone. If you'd like more information, please check the description below, and I will leave a cart link if you want to see the supplies used in this project. Any questions? Just drop me a line or a comment. I'm happy to answer and guide you along the way. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.